Oh my gosh, you guys. It's snowy in Alabama. Look at all of this snow. It's insane. OMG. Oh my gosh, you guys, it has been snowing in Alabama, and we have never, like, as long as I've lived, we've never experienced this much snow. So I thought I would bring you guys outside. It is so cold, you guys. Like, I know for those of you guys who live like up north, you are used to this, but we are not. Like, y'all can have this back. Florida, we need to borrow 20 degrees until Friday. This is so beautiful, and it is so insane. Like, oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in my backyard, in our backyard. This is the golf course, you guys. Like, you can't even do anything. It is so much snow. Like, I have never, I think this is the longest in history that it's been this cold and it stayed below freezing for this long. Like, I actually heard the newscaster say the other day that it is colder here than it has ever been. It's colder here than it's ever been, like, in history. And that it was colder here than it was in Alaska. Now that is insane. So finally we get lots of snow, and I think today I'm gonna do something very childish. Like, so many people say, you know, that I'm always very, very serious, and I never like to play. I never like to have fun. So my husband is sleeping, and I decided to get up and come outside and enjoy the snow before it melted. And I'm going to do something really fun and childish, and something that I've always dreamed of doing when I was a kid. So you guys, stay tuned. Snowing, like, it's starting to snow again. Oh, I am so excited, y'all. So what we're going to do today is I am going to make my first snow angel ever. So, I know, exciting, huh? Well, it's exciting for me anyway, so I'm gonna bring you guys along. But I'm gonna show you guys what, like, my outdoor patio area looks like when it's not snowing here. And it's so beautiful in the spring and summer, and I'm, you know, really excited for it to be spring and summer again. It was something in the air. It was something in the air. But, like, I'm really enjoying the snow today, so we're gonna make a snow angel. All right, y'all, do you believe me? Are you ready? Okay, I think I may need to go change my coat, but okay, give me a second. I'll be okay. You guys, I've never done this before, so all right. Okay, okay, here it goes. So thank you guys so much for going on this amazing, crazy journey with me. As you can see, there is a fun side to me. I just don't let it come out all the time. So I really appreciate you guys taking this journey. I will see you at the next video, and from snowy Alabama, goodbye. guys. Hey. Okay, so I am. It will. Okay, that's all I need to know. All right, so we're gonna practice. Here, we do this in the legs at the same time. Y'all let me know, because we don't get this much snow where we could do a snow. Okay. Oh, I just lay down? That don't seem like as much fun. Like, I want to fall back. You know how those people, like, dive in the snow? Like, that's what I want. Okay. Hold on. And then I do like this, right? Well, not quite, not quite like that, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay. All right. We're gonna fall back, and we're gonna do this like that. Okay, got it. All right. Can y'all see me? Because I'm going to go back so y'all can see me. All right. Ready? 1. Oh, Jesus. 2. 3. Oh, my God. That didn't hurt, y'all. I'm okay. All right. I want a big angel. Hold on. Okay. I think he's big. Hold on. Woo! Okay. Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay. Let's see. Ow! Let's see if he's big. Okay. All right. Hold on. Oh, Lord. Oh, my hat. My angel got my hat. Hold on. Oh. All right. Let's see. Woo. Okay, hold on. Hold on, y'all. Oh, Jesus. Got it on backwards. Oh. All right. Oh. That was fun, y'all. Oh, for real. Like, that was really fun. Oh, Jesus. I might do it again. But my hat on backwards. Oh, there we go. Woo. All right. Now my hands are very cold. But we're going to take a look. Hold on. Okay. So, oh, Jesus, it's cold out here. All right, hold on. So, now, there's my angel. Let me show y'all my angel. Okay, see that? Yes, that's my angel. So, there's some pretty deep snow. All y'all folks saying we ain't get no slow. That's my angel. Can y'all see my angel?